Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Business Hub. And in this video, we're going to analyze the market for the next week. That means 17th March to 21 March, and we will analyze the full market. That means full potential technical analysis, and we will break down the support, resistance, trend line, and Fibonacci level. So let's get started. So as per our trading style or as per our analysis style, we need to analyze the market. That means we need to start with weekly time frame first, then we will firstly weekly, and then we will start with daily. Okay, firstly weekly, then daily, then we will find our entry. That means market direction, that means short-term direction in H4, and for scalper we will analyze the market for M13 or M15. Okay, so let's get started. So as per you can see the daily time frame selected, so we need to start with weekly. Okay, so for the weekly time frame, as you can see there, market is on strong buy trend from past few months, and as you know that Donald Trump is current president of United States, and there is lot of change on United States. That means geopolitical issues and war issues and something else, and that's why market is on strong bullish trend. Gold market is strong bullish trend means Donald Trump taking a lot of geopolitical action, and there is a issue with United States dollar, and United States dollar inflation going rise. That's why market is going to uptrend. Okay, so let's get started. As per we selected H4 time frame. As per we selected weekly time frame. As you can see there, if we want to draw a trend line from this area to this area, as you can see there, there is a trend line breakout zone, and if I make that perfect, in that particular point. In that particular point, trend line break and make us breakout, and it just trying to go up, or it just trying to rise up. Okay, so if we want to see the closer look for last or past 2 weeks, as you can see there, there is two bullish candle. That means previous 2 week was bullish, and if I especially want to say about our last week analysis, I told that market will touch 3000 again, and it just make that, or it just happened, and all-time high again break. Okay, and if we want to see the breakout, as you can see there, there is a breakout from our trend line, so that means market make a breakout, and as per our breakout trading strategy, market will go up, or it just give us a pullback for over confirmation, and then it will go buy. Okay, so for weekly time frame, market is on buy, and if we want to start a daily time frame to find out a proper direction of the market, so as you can see there, I want to delete all of the drawing, means the trend line. So if I remove the trend line, okay, so if I want to see here the support and resistance levels, so as you can see there, there was our resistance level. Okay, in that area there was our resistance level, and if we want to draw, or if I try to draw a support level, that was our support area. So it just make a breakout from that particular area, and it just trying to rise up. As you can see there, market just give us a breakout, again touch support, again trying to touch resistance, again go near support zone, again make breakout. Okay, so this is the current scenario, and our prediction or our analysis says market will go buy for next week. Okay, so let's see the entry on H4 time frame. So if I select H4 time frame, as you can see there, there is a lot of thing to explain, or there is a lot of thing to understand here. As you can see there, there is a trend line, and it just created a breakout area here, and as you can see there, breakout area. Okay, there is our support area, and if I delete that and want to draw a Fibonacci retracement area around that area, that means our last time pattern, that means from our last time high and low, that means last pattern. Okay, as per our analysis, it says it will give us a breakout. Let's draw the breakout area, that means where it can be go. Okay, as you can see there, this particular area is our 100 Fibonacci level, and if I want to draw another that area, that could be our targeted area, and another targeted area could be around that area. Okay, and our SL area should be lower, on lower that area. Okay, so let's delete the Fibonacci retracement and we can see our market direction. Okay, let's delete the support and resistance area we got from daily time frame. So as you can see there is our proper channel who want to buy for long term, and if I want to make okay, let's make it there. So if you want to take entry for long run for whole week, your entry zone will be around that particular area. That means 2926, and your SL should be around that particular area. That means 2879 for long time trader. Okay, and your first TP should be around 3024, and next TP should be 3139. That means there is a lot of pips. If you have only big equity, you may take the entry. Okay, so let's delete all of them and let's choose the particular entry for the small investor, like $100 equity or $500 or $1,000 equity. So we need to go H1 time frame. So then we can find out our proper path or direction. I'm sorry. Okay. So as you can see there, as per the H1 time frame, there is a trend line zone also, and if I want to make that perfect, that could be that one. Okay. So as you can see there, so if I want to draw another trend line from here to here, as you can see there, this trend line also make us a breakout. So if I want to make that zoom in, and if we want to go 30-minute time frame, as you can see there is a support area. Let me draw it. There is a support area. Okay, this particular area is a support area. For H1 time frame, this is our support area. So if market give us a breakout from that area, that means breakout from that area, then we will wait for pullback till that area. Listen, firstly we have to wait for breakout, then we have to wait for pullback, then we can take entry around on that area, for pullback. Okay, then we can take the entry with 1:3 risk reward ratio. You can take a screenshot to check or to overshoot the position or overshoot the area. Okay, there can be another scenario for small time frame traders. So like that is our support area, and if you want to take buy based on candle confirmation, that means as you can see there is a lot of candle confirmation to go by. There was a pin bar confirmation to go by, and there was a confirmation to go by. So if we got there a lot of confirmation to go by, our market opens with buy entry, then we can take a buy entry around that area. Our SL should be around that area, and our TP should be around all-time high zone. Okay, all-time high zone, that means that area, that particular area. Okay, you can take another screenshot from that area. So this is the entry for the small time frame trader, and you also can ask me, Mr. Boom, what is for 15-minute or 5-minute time frame traders? So let's make it the same thing there. This is our latest support area. Okay, this is our latest support area. So as you can see there is a 15-minute breakout. So you may take a buy entry from that area. So it's small time frame trades will depend on market starting. That means where will market will start, or if market give us a price gap or a value gap or something else, then we can see the market, then we'll decide the market movement. So, and one more thing about our Telegram channel, as you can see there we are sharing a lot of entry and a lot of analysis and with explanation in our Telegram channel. So if you already join our Telegram channel, it's amazing. If you don't join yet, you may join our Telegram channel right now, because we are sharing a lot of analysis each and every day. As you can see there is a support and resistance zone. As per as show you previously, there was a trend line zone, and there is another support and resistance zone, and there is also fundamental analysis. That means news analysis for the gold. We are sharing each and every day a lot of analysis in our Telegram channel, so you may check that, and you may join our public Telegram channel to get a lot of entry or a lot of analysis like fundamental, technical, and other analysis. And we also sharing what is happening around the world, what is saying Federal Reserve Bank and Donald Trump also. So you may join our public Telegram channel. I hope this video will help you a lot. So for now it's over, and Mr. Boom signing out. So happy trading, have a nice day.